Well, that was your problem. Me.
Last time I asked somebody that, they had some suggestions.
Oh,
Hmm.
no.
Oh.
You're back. Okay, good.
That's funny.
I bought this yesterday and I'm gonna give it back to you because it's a Oh, okay, check with Sherry.
Oh, I know.
I could put it out away. Oh, well, okay, just let
Okay,
her
he
know.
found a pan with some spoons downstairs on the desk. He's gonna go back downstairs.
Yeah, they were down on the desk.
Yeah?
You get a new paint every day and you don't even know where it is. It's gonna be.
So how do you get downstairs?
Right here.
Oh, right here. Okay.
Hey Steve, we went to this estate sale here in San Carlos, man. They got a bunch of like old Tonkas and like Caterpillars and all that. Dude had a huge collection. That's where I'm at. I just got here. Yeah, you should come. There's a lot of nice big collection of stuff though, man. They're kind of high, I think, but I don't really know what they're worth. So you know what I mean. I've seen stuff for $95. I've seen stuff for $100. I've seen, but I don't know. I mean, I didn't really like check them all out. Well, I just got here. It just opened up at 11. Nah, it's on Lupin or Lupin, I think. Yeah. Yep. You should come check it out, man. Bunch of trains, old trains, you know, model trains or whatever. Not really. I mean, it looks like maybe 10 people came in. Yep, you should come check it out, though. Alright, bye.
These situations, you never know what you might need till you see it. Do I need any of this stuff? We're in the train room. Morning, how you doing?
What did you buy?
This is all yours?
Oh no,
Oh, okay.
none of it.
Oh, okay, okay.
Could be
Wow.
yours though.
Oh, yeah, for the right price, it could be me, yes. Wow.
It's all for sale.
It's all for sale?
Yeah.
What made you give up? What was the transition?
Well, the fellow passed away,
Oh, okay, okay.
and he would like you to have as much of it as you can carry.
Okay, I see.
Left us in his will, right?
Let's see where we can put some of this stuff.
Alright. Let's set the Pacific
You
lines.
getting any more trains?
Oh yeah. No, I'm just going through the paper for now. So I got all this up here.
So we'll start this one.
Pretty awesome train
Okay.
collection.
Well, I know there was one
Hmm.
I really liked. The one with the
Boy. See, toolbox wise. Let me see. Do I have a need for the toolbox? Excuse me. So, $195. Where's that? y'all walk through what's going down at East Bay Dragons today. As you see me, I'm in the house over there. Got some nice representation of Harley Davidsons out here today. Oh, got a giant spike out here. Signatured up and whatnot. Okay. Buffalo Soldiers over here. As you see the buffalo. Of course, y'all knew that bike right here. Looking good. Top of the world over here. See this young man over here playing her little music going on. Like I said, we just out here checking out the spot. Hey man, I heard you coming up in here sounding pretty good, man. Where you get that music done at?
You know who did
I'm not much, man. Nothing. Good, I'm feeling good, feeling good. You looking good over there, man. I'll let you know I see you. Yeah, I see, and I hear you.
Real Dundada, mobster, young top shot, survivor, riding through the bricks with a chopper and the ball.
Already getting low. Hey, how you doing? All right.
Rob, right?
Yes, sir.
How's it going, man?
This you?
No, that one, the
Oh,
black one.
oh, the black one. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I said, okay, you looking good over there, man. I like that though.
Yeah, I met you a couple years ago at the East Bay Dragons.
Uh-huh.
We was from Seattle.
But once
You
again, we're
had your
back
white.
again.
You had your white.
Yeah, I still got the white bike. Yeah.
That thing sounds nice.
Well, we've been more improvement every time. It's different now, so you got to hear it
You see a
again.
lot on YouTube too, man.
Oh yeah, I'm a little bit of everything. If you follow me on like Instagram or Facebook, you'll be more up to date. The YouTube stuff is lagging behind right now because business has rapidly increased, and so I haven't had time to do the YouTube as much. But the Instagram and Facebook stuff, it's up to date. You'll see what's going on.
Music up.
Oh yeah, for sure.
2.0?
Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, what's up? How you doing? All right. Oh, we got the bird. Ooh, that bird looks realistic. Oh, really nice. And we saw one over here at the Army thing. Fab 32 pipe. Oh yeah. Looks like he might be going fast. Yeah, we got a good representation of motorcycles out here today. So, nice King in the house. Today is a good day. A lot of bikes out here today. We out of here.
I stay right here, right around the corner right here. 6 days from that. What's going on, man?
What's up? How you doing? Oh, it's gray with a red pearl.
Nice color.
Oh yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, that is.
Okay, I see what he did with the speakers inside the armrest, so they're facing up. That's a good move. The kick panel, he put the speakers in over there. Oh yeah.
Head to toe.
Oh yeah. Nice little gold kit.
That was fucking nice.
Said GTA on it.